Hi everyone, welcome to WPL Club. In this video, we will be talking about how can you reset your WordPress password using phpMyAdmin. Now, to get started, you'll need to first of all go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. You'll be redirected to this page, and on the left hand side corner, you can see a list of databases. The database I'm interested right now is WPL Club, so I click on it, and then you'll have to click on WP users of the database you have just clicked. You'll be directed to this page then, and then you need to click on edit right here. Finally, you'll reach to this page where you can see your user password and all your login information. Now you can change your user password to any new password that you want. Also, you will need to change the function of user password to MD5. Once you've done that, click on go and you'll be done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are anyone who is learning, loves, and it's related or associated with WordPress, enthusiastic about WordPress, please make sure you hit the subscribe button right below. If you want to learn more about this particular video, then you can find the article link of this video right down below in the video's bio. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.